Introducing the stunning 2025 Volkswagen Touareg 3.0TDI R-Line. With 231B horsepower and a sleek gray exterior, this vehicle is sure to turn heads. Packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The black style pack and upgraded alloys add a touch of luxury to this already impressive SUV. With only 11 kilometers on the clock, this Touareg is practically brand new. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can trust in its quality. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.